Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome not saving password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome is not prompting to save password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method to enable this option. You just need to open your Chrome browser. After that, in top right side, you can see profile icon. You just need to click on this. After that, you can see here key mark. You just need to click on this key. In left side, you can see here setting option. You just need to click on this setting option. In right side, you can see offer to save password. You have to make sure you have to enable this toggle. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this option and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome not prompting to save password on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.